Goody was goody. Welcome back to another Q-Tips Friday. I missed last Friday for the main fact that the boy was tired. You know what I'm saying? Like I was traveling, I was doing all kind of stuff and everything, so I had no energy, you know. But we're back on, got some dope topics as well, you know. Like I like to actually figure topics out as I go through my entire week, you know, based on like my experiences and that kind of stuff. I could just be driving my car. For some reason, whenever I'm driving in this particular car, topics just pop up, you know what I'm saying? So this is going to be a very cool one, you know. This topic is saving versus spending, you know what I'm saying? And everyone loves to save, everyone loves to spend. It depends on the kind of person that you are, you know. So my thoughts on that is you got to spend money.
Mommy.
One second. So you got to spend money. You got to spend money. If you're making money, you have to spend money. You cannot have like a goal in mind to make more money if you're not spending money to actually make that more money. Like you're actually expanding your horizons as you're spending money to actually get all the access. One second, this girl is being crazy. Here we go. Yeah. Having a daughter, very needy. All right. So, here's the thing though. As you're growing a business and all these things, all right, obviously money is being made, income is being made in some kind of way, right? As income is coming in, obviously you're saving enough money to actually make the business be able to operate. But on the back end, you have to pretty much, you know, spend money to actually get new resources or even take advantage of your resources so people can actually value the business a bit more. You know what I'm saying? Like for example, like even like when I started Wall Street Academy, I started it on like a super basic website, this and that, you know, and obviously, you know, values there, so people are gonna buy the course. As the course is making money, I have to upgrade everything that the course is based on, as far as upgrade the website, upgrade the servers, upgrade the bandwidth, upgrade all these things. Regardless of the fact, I cannot save everything. You know what I'm saying? If I saved everything, then pretty much I would have to still be on that old website, bad customer service, bad user experience. You know, things aren't really getting upgraded as far as for the business. You know what I'm saying? If I'm literally saving everything, you know? So you gotta pretty much spend money to make money. Even like when it comes to like me trading, me making money in different ways. All of my cars, I trade for all of my cars. Like I have good weeks, and that's what I pretty much buy like my cars based on. You know what I'm saying? Like I just bought, like I had a bomb ass trading week the other week, probably like I think like a week and a half ago or some shit. You know, made like 770. I took out like 440, and I just bought a twin turbo Perf Monte. Boom, outright done. You know what I'm saying? If I had saved that money, yes, it's gonna go inside a bank and all these things, but I don't need it. You know what I'm saying? Like as far as like having that money is not really helping anything, because pretty much I have enough stored away to pretty much run my entire life, run my operations, run things that I'm doing, run all the business that I'm doing. So having that, it doesn't benefit anything. I'd rather spend that. So me spending that on something that I'm passionate about, yes, that's opening up more doors for different networks and to meet different people, and probably even have different business investments. Like all these things are being opened because I'm spending money with people. You know what I'm saying? Even like when I have bought obviously I don't have it on me like right now, but I bought a Richard Mille. I bought that for like 120 or something like that, right? That pretty much just gave me access to different kinds of people. You know what I'm saying? I spent money with a person that now I'm opening up the possibility that I could get into a new network. You know what I'm saying? So that alone is pretty much making me more valuable as far as like, you know, what I bring to the table, because people see like what I'm into, but also you're getting access to all of these new networks that could actually give you business opportunities, or just you could have like one conversation that could help you out, you know, for the rest of your life. You know what I'm saying? That's the cool thing about it. Somebody had even said that about, you know, like my membership at the compound. You know, like when everything's done at the compound, memberships are going to be $60,000 for the entire year, which is like around $5K a month. And spending that $60,000 for the entire year, that could make you more money. You know what I'm saying? If you had saved that money, like you can do different stuff and that kind of stuff, but spending it give you the possibility to now make more based off of that. Let's say a person spent that 60K, and then after that they're at a compound just 1 month and that kind of stuff, hanging out and shit, and you know, they're having a conversation with one of my boys that I have over there, or even with me, and then we're talking it up, and then one conversation happened that pretty much sparks their entire mindset on, it could be anything, business stuff, investment stuff, it could be tax stuff, it could be anything. You know what I'm saying? So you're literally opening up those doors whenever you spend money. As you're making money, you have to spend money to actually be able to make more money. If you're saving everything, imagine a person that saved all his money and there's nothing to show for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's weird to me. It's like, as you're making money, upgrade your life. It could be the small things. You know what I'm saying? Like when I started making like some decent money, like I got annoyed of putting my glasses on every single fucking day. Let me get fucking LASIK so I don't got to deal with this shit anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just those small things that I feel like is very important for when you're upgrading your life. Well, as you're making money, you have to pretty much upgrade your life in some kind of way. It could be the small things. Your health is going to be upgraded. You know what I'm saying? You're spending money or investing money into yourself, which is now making you live longer and live better and live more healthier. You know what I'm saying? So that's going to put you in a position to think better and pretty much want to have more opportunities to now make more money. Like, all these things are opening up doors to do more. You know what I'm saying? All these things is making you able to do more. Period. If you're saving everything, nothing's coming out of that. Cool, you have a bunch of money, but if the money's not being moved or spent, or, you know what I'm saying, or put up to do something more, the money's just sitting there. It's not, you know what I'm saying, having a bunch of money inside a bank literally means nothing if you're not spending. Obviously spend smart, obviously, you know, spend with reasoning and that kind of stuff, but if you're not spending it, it's literally just sitting there. It's not doing anything for you. So as you're making money, don't be scared to spend money. You have to spend money. You know what I'm saying? If you say that you're doing so-and-so, yo, show people that you're doing so-and-so. Show people that you pretty much fit the image. You know what I'm saying? Like, show people that, yo, listen, like, I am doing as good as I say I am, because look how I look. Look at my skin. Look at my skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at my skin. You don't see all kind of acne and that kind of shit. I take care of myself. You know what I'm saying? Look at that bounce back. You know, like, it shows. So as you're making money, make sure that you're not afraid to spend money. That's what's gonna make everything keep on moving. You know what I'm saying? So that's my Q-tips for today. Saving versus spending. All right? Comments, feedback in the comments. Appreciate y'all. Q-tip Fridays, and I'm gonna see y'all next Friday. Peace.